In today's episode, we will discuss the test reports add-on. Let me first explain what an add-on is. A Bitrise add-on enhances the existing functionality by providing some extra features and capabilities to our core product. So, in the case of the test reports add-on, it provides a more convenient and organized way of analyzing your test results without having to dig deep in your build logs. You can run both UI tests and unit tests on Bitrise and view the results on the same page with test reports. First, let me show you how you can access test reports. There are two ways to get there, either through one of your builds on the builds page or on the add-ons tab. If you click on the test reports add-on or the go to add-on button, a new page comes up with the test results homepage. But before we discover more of test reports, let's generate some test cases so that we have some real outputs available on the add-ons page. Test reports doesn't require any sort of complicated configuration. First, make sure you have tests in your apps repository. Then add a testing step to your workflow. You can use test reports with 4 of our testing steps. These are Xcode test for iOS, Android unit test, iOS device testing, virtual device testing for Android. These steps run the tests defined in your repository and then store the output in an environment variable. And finally, add the deploy to bitrise.io step to your workflow, which will read and send the results to test reports. One more heads up here. The deploy to bitrise.io step must be of version 1.4.1 or newer. Older versions of this step do not support test reports. And all there's left to do is run a build. Hopefully there are some tests available now on your test reports page, so let's hang around here for a sec. On the test reports homepage, you can see the test summary tab. This tab sums up all the tests, their duration, and their outcome. You can also click on the tabs of the individual tests to see their details. You can also drill deeper into details if you click one of the test set tabs. There you will find the total number of tests you ran, the ratio of successful and failed tests, the duration of each individual test, both unit tests and UI tests, and, in the case of UI tests, the orientation and the locale of the device. Besides test cases, you can also view performance data, videos, screenshots, test artifacts and logs, depending on your test type, of course. If you wish to download any file from test reports, you can easily do so by clicking the Download All Files or the Download button. And that's it. We hope this add-on helps you take your continuous integration processes to the next level. If you wish to read up more on test reports, please visit our relevant Dev Center article. And if you have questions, leave us a comment below. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. See you in the next one.